Alright guys, welcome to Venice. Yeah. 12:30, we grab a little bit of McDonald's, but we're still really hungry, so we're gonna go to Egg Slut. It's a nice name.
Because we're sluts, I mean like eggs.
Exactly, we love all of it. We gotta get some breakfast, but it's really just lunch. It's a little bit of a line here, but it's okay. We'll wait, show you guys the food. After that, head over to the beach, maybe rent a scooter. There's scooters, right? Is there bikes too?
Bikes, everything, yeah.
Yeah. We gotta see that.
Most importantly, they're all electric. It's all
Yeah, it's true. Exactly.
Less
Get some rides,
exercise.
have a little fun, show you guys Venice. Okay.
Wow.
Alright guys, we finally made it to Venice Beach. Next goal is to rent out some scooters or some electric bikes. Especially for Ali, because Ali doesn't want to pedal.
We're gonna have a trick competition on the scooters, man.
Yeah, literally, yeah, exactly. We're gonna rent some scooters. We're gonna find out where though. Oh, also we forgot to bring sunscreen. Actually, no, we thought we had sunscreen.
We just lost it.
Yeah, I thought it was in the car.
Yeah.
I took your boys. Gonna be a tomato today, dude. Honestly.
Exactly. This is bad. Like this is actually like the sun's actually pretty heavy today. So find sunscreen, find scooters, find bikes, and maybe for Ali we'll find an electric skateboard because he says it's so damn easy.
A nice handsome man for him.
Yeah. Because for him, apparently riding a skateboard needs zero practice, needs nothing.
Also pretty.
Is there any Wi-Fi here?
Yeah, actually, these are the scooters that we're trying to rent. So apparently you actually do everything through an app. You scan the QR code on top and you ride for $1 a mile. Honestly, I feel like, dude, it's gonna add up in price, dude.
Why is it downloading?
Oh shit, what was it? Beep, beep, beep. It's all beep, beep, beep. Oh, the handlebars are really sticky. Is there a fresh one? Is there one where someone didn't pee on this?
3 goes?
Yeah. Oh, look how fly Brody is. Damn.
Pretty fly, huh?
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that b-roll of Venice Beach and Santa Monica Pier and all that. I try to get as much as I possibly can, but the thing is, like, a lot of times I just enjoyed the ride with the boys. Right?
It's all about the boys today.
Exactly, all the boys today. Exactly. I put away the camera for a decent amount of time because we were on these scooters, which honestly took us what? For Andy here, it took him like 10 tries. At least. At least, it took 10 tries just to even find the right scooter because everything was either low battery, damaged, someone was using it didn't work. Right now we're starving, we're gonna get some Italian food most likely. And after that, we wanna go home, wanna rest out. It's been a long day, but it's been a fun day. Hope you guys still enjoyed though.